In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest steps to complete a high taper. I'm going to show you how to fill in a lineup and how to have your customer leaving the shop satisfied. Let's get into the video. So I'm starting off by taking a 6 guard on top. Clearly he has super straight hair, so a 6 guard brings it to like an inch left on top, maybe 1.5 inches. So now I'm going to come in with my 2 guard. I'm just going to leave the lever all the way open and I'm just going to clear out the bulk. I'm trying to blend into that 6 that's on top and create space to come back and, finish the blend. And now I'm going in with my lever all the way closed to set in my very first guideline. And now I'm going to come behind that with the trimmers so I can prep for the shaver. And now I'm going in with my lever all the way open for my second guideline. And then I'm going to take out the bottom guideline, the very first one that we created. I'm going back and forth between the lever open, lever closed, halfway. I just kind of do whatever I see. If I see a line closer to the second guideline that I created, I leave it halfway or 3/4 open. And if I see the line closer towards the bottom line, that's where I stay at, and I leave the lever all the way closed or 1 notch. And now I'm using the 1 guard all the way open. And now I'm using the 0 guard. All I'm doing here is I'm just connecting the lever all the way open, no guard, into the 1 guard that leads to the 1.5. And now we're going 1.5. This step is a very crucial step. It's real easy to leave that line there, but you see, like, this is so simple. It's blending into the 2 guard, which is I'm blending into the 6 guard that I had on top. The way that I like to do this though is, like, when I get to the top of the area that I'm flicking at, you can kind of see that line. I'm exaggerating the flick. It may not seem like it because my hand is moving pretty fast, but I'm telling you, I'm exaggerating that flick at the top, and that's really how you blend into bulk. And then on this side, eventually my camera, I think I was shooting an autofocus, so eventually the camera just focuses on the clipper instead of the actual haircut. So I wasn't able to really, like, leave that part in here. Like, there it goes right there. I wasn't able to leave that part in here, so I'm just gonna skip to the back taper. And for the most satisfying step, of course, I'm gonna set in that neckline. I'm using a 1.5 on the sides just so that I can kind of debulk so the line can be clean. I know it's tough to see the lineup part that I know it's tough to see where I'm lining up at because his hair is so light where I'm lining up, but it's real easy. You see where like the lighter spots are in his hairline, probably like 1 inch higher. I would not touch that because now I'm pushing his lineup back, and I'm gonna try to keep it consistent with this same shape all the way across. That's why it's so important to use the hairspray so that you can kind of see what it is that you're doing on areas that's lighter.